Hi everyone and welcome to this new video on our YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about how to use crowdfunding to finance your online business. Crowdfunding is an interesting alternative to traditional funding to start an online business. It consists of using a crowdfunding platform to collect money from private investors who believe in your project and want to support it. But how can you use crowdfunding to finance your online business? Here are some practical tips. There are many crowdfunding platforms, such as Kickstarter, Indiegogo, or GoFundMe, that offer different financing options. Before choosing the right platform for you, do thorough research on the different options and their requirements. To succeed with crowdfunding, it's important to create an effective campaign that attracts investors' attention. Use a clear and convincing presentation of your project, and offer interesting rewards for investors. Before launching your crowdfunding campaign, it's important to know your market and your competition. Do thorough market research to understand your target audience and develop an effective marketing strategy. Social media is a great resource to promote your crowdfunding campaign. Use Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn to reach your target audience and share your campaign with your network. Once you have reached your funding goal, it's important to keep your investors informed about your business activities. Create an effective communication plan to keep your investors involved and satisfied. Now that you understand how to use crowdfunding to finance your online business, all you have to do is put these tips into practice and start raising funds for your project. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.